What is going on, guys? So today was supposed to be like a ginormous storm today, and it was supposed to start yesterday and move on to today, but unfortunately we haven't really had too much here. So today we're gonna go look for damage. Before we go out there and look at how cute Ipso and Fatso are. That's the male and female Woma, my biggest ones. Eli, leave them alone.
Yeah, it's so cute.
And then the little Womas are up there, and then Max there. So yeah, not too much breeding action that I've witnessed, but it definitely looks promising. All right, everyone out of the room. We're going. Well, I'm going. Oh wow, bro, there's what?
That's a lot of water.
How much to go stand over the others on those rocks? Dude, look at that. Alright, that is crazy. I wish I had a better lens. I want to go stand there, but I'll like get right there and I'm bang! That's nuts. What?
Like here, it's empty, ground stagnant, disgusting water.
Yeah, not move.
The wind cap. This gets me.
What? Moose! That's nuts. It looks so calm here. Bye. Wait, look, this guy's got it. Oh, get it turned. I wanna if you're not on that if you don't go. Bro, they're actually getting somewhere. Holy shit. So we came out, and I think we came out a little bit too late. all of this was underwater, and the jetty all the way over there was underwater as well. And it's probably, the water level's probably dropped maybe half a meter, if not way more. And I think we're a little bit late, but we did get some water shot, like nice waves at a few of the other places that we've been to. But I really wish we had came out earlier to see all of this underwater. It is absolutely crazy down here, and unfortunately we didn't see too many cool things, but the beach down here is absolutely corroded away to the point where it started sucking in the fence. Now this car park's always had troubles, but it's getting worse, and the more they try and fill it, they're not really catching up with it. But today has managed to suck it in quite a bit. That is absolutely crazy. So we didn't get to see too much hecticness today, but we did get some big waves. So, and this is, I would have liked to see this happen though. So today was absolutely crazy. The weather where our house is didn't get bad at all. It got a little bit windy. There was a little bit of rain. Nothing like the rain that we had the last storm that I had on. That it was like 2 months ago, I think. But the winds were something chronic down near the beach, and it was crazy how high the tides were. Unfortunately, when we got out there, the tides weren't nearly as high, but if you know the some of the areas that I filmed, there is normally 40 meters of beach where some of the steps were, and there was like nothing there. Maybe not 40 meters, maybe 20 meters, no, maybe 40 meters, I don't know. Normally there's way more beach than there was at the time that we were filming. But it was absolutely crazy how big some of the waves were out there, and the fact that that wasn't even the peak of the storm. We did get a few splashes, and I missed a few really good shots, and I'm incredibly sorry about the audio. It's all over the place. It was so bloody loud. I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Sorry, it was a bit of a different one today, and we didn't get anything absolutely crazy. Yeah, but that's it. All we did today was trying to catch a storm that had already passed. So unfortunately my partner and my son had to go to the hospital for some tests, and I was at home with Indy, so I didn't really want to take her out, because although it seems fairly safe, stuff can always go wrong when you go out to the beaches and stuff. So if you do choose to go down to these sort of beaches in an event like today, always just stay a little bit cautious, be prepared for the worst. And we did watch a girl run down to the rocks. It had calmed down quite a bit. She ran down to the rocks, and then my friend said something about like her getting swept off the rocks, and we turned to her dad. I think it was her dad that was there, and we were like, you guys were 20 minutes too late. Like 20 minutes or 10-15 minutes ago, that rock was underwater. And then the girl decided to come back up, and literally as she got back on the steps, this massive wave came through, completely would have wiped her off that rock so quickly. And it really looked like the water had backed off like quite a bit, and it was quite surprising that it came back up so quickly. So yeah, you've always got to watch yourself and play it safe. Also, when you're walking around the erosion areas like that car park, don't stand too close to the edge, and just be responsible around them things. So yeah, alright guys, take it easy, stay awesome, and remember, you can't fail if you try. See you later.